Xerox AltaLink C8070 Family, HCF, feed roll, retard roll, and nudger roll replacement. Power down the machine. Press the UI power button, then respond to the on-screen prompts. Wait until the power LED turns off. Open the front door and turn off the main power switch. Then disconnect the power cord. Move the high cap feeder to the left. Open the feeder top cover. Release the green lever to open the feed assembly to reveal the 3 rollers. Remove each roll by squeezing the roll shaft at both ends and lifting up and out of the HCF. Install each new roll by squeezing the shaft at both ends and sliding the roll into place. Check that the rolls turn freely. Close the upper feeder assembly and close the top cover of the HCF.